Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to install and set up the Telegram application on your Windows PC or laptop. Subscribe to Guide Mentory and let's go! So first of all, you need to open any web browser and in the search bar type in Telegram desktop, hit enter and go to the official Telegram website. Now click on this button and download the version for your operating system. If you use Mac or Linux, here will be another button, so click on this button and wait for download. Once download is completed, you can click on the installer right here, right in your browser, or later you can find it in downloads folder. So you need to open Explorer, go to downloads and double click on installer to set up. Select your language, select location. I recommend you default location. This folder is already exists because I had Telegram on my PC before. No problem, just click on yes if you have some same message. Now don't change the name unless you wish, so in some reason create a desktop shortcut if you need. Click on next. Now click on install, and if you have this message on your screen, just select automatically close the application. Now click next and wait for the progress bar to fill. Now the installation is completed, the shortcut is created, and you can click on finish and launch Telegram at the same time. Wait for a while. Now just click on start messaging, and if you have Telegram application in your smartphone, you can open the application and scan this QR code. But if you don't have an application, you can log in using your phone number. You will just receive an SMS with a confirmation code. So let me scan code because I already have Telegram in my smartphone. So you need to open Telegram application, tap on three bars over here. Now scroll down to settings, select devices, and tap on link desktop device. Now just scan this QR code and you have brand new desktop Telegram applications in your PC. So that's pretty it, guys. Start messaging, enjoy. I hope this was helpful. Subscribe to the channel and be awesome. Bye.